The Bahamas.
With a maximum value of 7 feet late Thursday evening. Flood stage is 4.2 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 6.6 feet on August 30th, 2023. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Caution is urged when walking near riverbanks. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov. The next statement will be issued Wednesday afternoon by noon Eastern Daylight Time. Nautical miles north at 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Liberty Point, moving north at 20 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Liberty Point, Calusa, and Moore Haven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Hawaii, east central Manatee, and northwestern DeSoto counties, including the following locations lie ahead. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors. A tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Pardee, Florida. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for western Lake Okeechobee until 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located in Williston, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Damage can briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Liberty Point, North Haven, Utah. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southern Florida and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn loads and create local emergencies. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for eastern Lake Okeechobee until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located 15 nautical miles south of Lake Harbor, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Sandcut, Harley, Buckhead Ridge, and Lake Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southern and southeastern Florida and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The Fort Myers Climate Summary for yesterday, September 25th, 2024. Tornado warning for northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Volusia County in east central Florida until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Scottsmore, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oak Hill, Scottsmore, and Maytown around 10:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Edgewater around 10:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Smyrna Beach around 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Turnbull. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Daylight time. 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm. Now, for Eastern Manatee County, Eastern Sarasota, until 1:15 a.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over by Akbar State Park, 12 miles northwest of Northport, moving north at 75 miles per hour. Again, tornado warning now until 5:15 for Eastern Manatee and northeastern county until 5:15. MB9X at
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Duet, Gator Creek Estate, Lake Manatee State Park, Hidden River, and Fruitsville. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida.
Sarasota and Manatee County allowed to expire 5:15. We still have an active tornado in effect for western Charlotte, southwest Sarasota County, southwest DeSoto, and a portion of Lee County. NB9X at 5:17. The National Weather Service in West Tennessee issued a tornado warning for southeastern Manatee County in west central Florida, northwestern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, western DeSoto County in south central Florida, eastern Sarasota County in west central Florida. Station, this is MB9X. National Weather Service in Ruskin is issued a new for southeastern Manatee, western Charlotte,
Miles an hour.
western Sarasota.
Hazard, tornado.
Until 5
Source.
this evening. A severe storm capable of producing a tornado located near Port Charlotte to the north at 60 miles per hour.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Northport around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornado thunderstorm include Myrtle, Phoenix City, Helene, Gulf Coast, Hidden River, Aljobian, Harbor Heights, Charles Harbor, and Warren Mills Springs. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida.
The tornado warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Manatee, western DeSoto, and eastern Sarasota counties. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Northport, moving north at 60 miles an hour. Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
southeastern Manatee, western DeSoto, and eastern Sarasota counties, including the following locations: Hidden River, Lake Susie, and Warm Mineral Springs. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties in Florida: DeSoto, Hardee, Highlands, Inland Charlotte, Inland Hillsborough, Inland Lee, Inland Manatee, Inland Sarasota, Polk and Summersboro. Tornado warning for Central Florida, Eastern Manatee County and West Central Florida, Northwestern DeSoto County and South Central Florida, until 6 Eastern Daylight Time. The tornado is located near Atlantic City, or 15 miles northwest of Hardee, moving north at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Duet and Mayaca Head. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. Shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been.
Servida por South Central Florida, a una frecuencia 162.50 MHz.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Manatee County in west central Florida, northwestern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, western DeSoto County in south central Florida. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a radar indicated water spout was located just offshore the Punta Gorda, moving north at 65 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near North Fort around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Murdoch, Lake Susie, Solana, Charlotte Park, Charlotte Harbor, Harbor Heights, and Cleveland. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida. A storm surge. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning Central Florida, East Central Hill.
That's way too close for comfort. WMTX is off the air.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued West Central Florida until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 6:47 p.m. The National Weather Service in Ruskin. Source radar. Hazard tornado. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 6. The tornado was located 10 miles south of Medora, or 10 miles east of Freeze Hall, moving north at 60 miles an hour. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be Crystal Lake, Lakeland Highlands, Mulberry, Winston, and Willow Oak. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid floodwaters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from coastal debris. Proceeding, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Hillsborough and Polk.
Tornado warning for southwestern Hardee County in Central Florida, southeastern Manatee County in West.
Counties in West Central Florida. Daylight Time. At 7. Radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Northport and Port South around the center. Around 7:35 p.m. Eastern. Other locations impacted by this tornado. Solana,
Southwestern Hardee, southeast Manatee, central Charlotte, west Soto, and east Soto County. This tornado is in effect until 7:45. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornado is located moving 60 miles per hour. D9X at 7:20.
a tornado warning. 45 p.m. The following county, Hardee, Florida.
The tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Hardee and northwestern Minnesota counties. At 7:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Arcadia, moving north at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Thunderstorm 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Harvey, Florida.
Shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Harvey, Florida. A storm surge warning remains in effect, and a hurricane watch and tropical storm warning are both in effect for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Hillsborough, coastal Manatee, coastal Sarasota and Pinellas. 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Florida, North Central. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A tornado was located 9 miles northwest of debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. This dangerous storm will be around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Limestone, avoid floodwaters.
Windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Harvey, Florida. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 686, effective until from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical. Remember, the tornado watch means conditions are favorable to the development of severe weather. Large hail and damaging winds. Close to the watch area. Warning for Charlotte and Eastern Hill. Friday for the following counties.
County Damage to